Welcome to another exciting adventure of great bikes at Orlando Harley-Davidson. My name is Robert. Around here they call me Papaw. Today I have the great honor of introducing you to the Fat Bob with the Milwaukee 8 engine. The Milwaukee 8 engine has a mode in it called parade mode. What that does is when the bike is running hot and you pull up, it shuts one of the cylinders off, the one closest to you. That becomes an air pump, so the whole bike runs cooler and you run cooler. Also, the styling on this bike, we have the upswept pipes, which has heat dispensating stainless steel and the classic bronze look to it. We also have drag bar style racing, so you can have that sleek look and give you the forward position that you're looking for. Also, the power of this 114 engine, which is a 1868 CI, comes with dual disc brakes for your stopping power. Also on this particular Fat Bob, also for your night riding, the Fat Bob comes with a day maker headlamp, flooding your way so you can see everywhere that you're going on your peaceful, wonderful ride. So with that, we'd like to invite you down to Orlando Harley-Davidson. Our parts department can customize your bikes. Anything that you're looking for in apparel that we have, a wide selection of apparel for you, from helmets, jackets, everything that you need. So come on down to Orlando Harley-Davidson, talk to any one of us in our department. We'll be honored to help you. Again, it's an honor to be able to show you another great bike here at Orlando Harley-Davidson. And with that, we'd like to have you have a little listen on the bike. So once again, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Great Bikes at Orlando Harley-Davidson. Give us a call, stop on by. Thank you again.